Hi, my name is Michael Affronti, and I'm the Director of Product at Thinking Phones here in New York City. Today I'm going to share with you how I made 42 new business connections last month. I think there are three main components to networking effectively. The first is having a plan. The second is following up, and the third is being diligent. Effective networking needs a plan. So for your plan, think about what are you trying to accomplish with your networking? Are you trying to hire for your company? Are you looking for a new job yourself? Or are you looking to expand your network? Write those goals down in wherever you take your notes, and that way you can look at them every day when you think about what you need to accomplish. I write mine down, and then after them, I put what's my 2-second summary if I was to bump into a candidate or a new contact that I could share with them about that goal. Hey, I'm looking for someone in the marketing department for our company. The next thing is to have actual goals, to quantify it. So I set the goal of meeting 1 to 2 new people a week, and I have coffee with them to learn about their job and add them to my network. The other thing I do is try to attend at least 2 meetups a month here in New York City and make sure that when I go, I use a couple of interesting tricks to meet new people. One of my favorites is making sure that your name badge is obviously on your right where people will see it when they shake your hand, but also I typically wear a second name badge that says I'm interested in marketing, computer science, and bacon. And that way people will come over and say, oh, I like bacon, and then you have a conversation starter. So the 2 name tag technique can be pretty useful. Other things that can be useful for a meetup are looking at the attendees before the event and preparing conversation starters with the key folks and thinking about what your plan is for after the event. The third point of effective networking is actually setting aside time to do it. One of the things that I do is on Monday and Wednesdays, I have a block of time on my calendar for 30 minutes, which is have coffee, grow network. And what do? I have my coffee, review the LinkedIn reminders for that week, send out a few emails to people to reconnect, offer to grow some people's networks by making connections between them and someone else I know, and also just reaching out and sharing updates about what I'm working on. That little bit of work, but doing that systematically will help grow your network effectively without making it something that you have to do in bulk every few weeks. Nobody likes the guy at a networking event that's walking around handing out business cards like he's the dealer at a blackjack table. The most important thing with networking is to be genuine. Whenever I meet someone, I try to offer real insights and feedback and advice, and I ask the same thing from them in return. I've been using the tips I shared with you today for the last few years to help grow my network when I was living in Seattle, and when I recently moved back to New York, they helped me make a new network here in the city, along with some really great friends. I hope you find them helpful, and good luck growing your network.